In this video, let us obtain the primitive element for Galois field 7. Now in Galois field 7, there are these elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one is the primitive element? Primitive element is one whose powers gives all non-zero elements of the field. That means between these numbers, there is one number whose powers will give all the non-zero elements of the field. That means it will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now one thing I have already cleared in the previous video where we have found the primitive element for the Galois field 3, that 0 and 1 are not the primitive elements, because zeros all powers will be 0 and 1's all power will be 1. So they will not represent other elements of the field. So don't consider 0 and 1. Let us consider 2. Now 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. Now 2 raised to 3 is 8. But 8 is not there in Galois field 7. So we have to obtain the equivalent number for the 8 in the Galois field 7. For that, you have to find 8 mod 7. Now 8 mod 7 means what? This 7 is for Galois field 7. 8 mod 7 means you have to divide 8 by 7 and find its remainder. So 8 divided by 7, you will 7 ones are 7. So the quotient will be 1 and the remainder will be 1. So remainder you have to write. So remainder is 1. Okay, so this is 8 mod 7. To get the numbers in Galois field 7, because 8 is not there in the Galois field 7. 16. 16 divided by 7. So 7 2s are 14. Remainder will be 2. So remainder is 2. Now 2 raised to 5 is 32. So 7 4s are 28 and the remainder is 4. Then 64. 7 nines are 63 and remainder is 1. So remainder you have to write. So 2 has represented 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. So it has not represented 3, 5 and 6. So 2 cannot be the primitive element. Let us check 3. Now 3 raised to 0 is 1. 3 raised to 1 is 3. 3 raised to 2 is 9. 9 mod 7 is 9 by 7. 7 divided 7 ones are 7 and remainder is 2. Remainder is written like this. So everything I am not going to tell these calculations. These are written here. Also I will attach the PDF in the description box of this lecture. So how to easily calculate on the calci, because after that there are big numbers, so you cannot orally find the remainder. Suppose for example 3 raised to 6, how to obtain it in the calculator? Let us see. Suppose 3 raised to 6 is 729. So what you have to do? You have to do 7. So it is 7 to 9 divided by 7. So you will get 104. 0.14. So don't consider after decimal. So because we want remainder, and in the calculator you don't get the remainder. So it will calculate all the decimal numbers. So 104, you have to write 104. After that you have to suppose multiply 104 into 7. So it is this 104 into 7. So 104 into 7, that is equal to 728. So 728. Now you have to do 729 minus 728, that is equal to 1. That is your remainder. So this is one method to find the remainder. So what we have did, 729 divided by 7 we have calculated in the calci, and we found the we have written the portion before the decimal point, that is 104. Then 104 into 7, or we have done 729 minus 104 into 7, that is your remainder. So here we have seen that if we do this, you get 1 3 2 6 4 5 1. So all the non-zero elements of Galois field 7 can be represented by the power of 3. So 3 is your primitive element for Galois field 7. Now let us check about 4. So 4 here 1 4 2 1, then 4 2 1. So here 4 cannot be the primitive element because 3 5 and 6 are not represented by 4. Let us check 5. So for the 5, 1 5 4 6 2 3 1. That means all the elements 1 2 3 4 5 6, all the non-zero elements can be represented by powers of 5. So 5 can be the primitive element. 5 is the primitive element for Galois field 7. Now for 6 1 6 1 6 1 6 1. So 6 cannot be the primitive element because all the elements like 1 2 3 4 5 6 cannot be represented by powers of 6. So the method I have explained, once again I will explain here how to do how to find this remainder. So here 6 raised to 6 is 4 6 6 5 6. So you have to do suppose 6 raised to 6, you are getting what? 4 6 6 5 6. You divide it by 7, you got 6665. So this is important for you. Then what you are going to do? 6665 into 7, you got 46655. So 46 you have to do 46656 minus 46655. You got the remainder as 1. That means this division you do in the calculator. Write down the portion before the decimal in the calculator, then multiply this and this and minus that quantity from this quantity. You get the mod value or remainder value. So conclusion is that what this 3 and 5 are primitive elements of Galois field 7 because all its elements, all non-zero elements of Galois field 7 are represented by powers of 3 and 5.